did for the
Blake.
happy birthday, boy.
Blake,
Look at Daddy, Blake.
look at your presents.
All right.
Take it out.
You
See
can do
what it
it.
is. See what it is.
What is
What
in
is
there?
it?
What is in there? What's in there, big 1-year-old? Yeah. What's that? What is that? Look at that! Look!
All right. Giddy up, cowboy. All right.
Oh, you got a cut. That's your
Cowboy
cowboy
hat for
hat.
your birthday party.
You like it? Now let's do this one.
Ooh, now you get to rip.
Look. Look, look. Rip.
Get it.
Yeah. It's the best. Go this way. Rip it. Yeah. Get this. I want the
Nope, want the hat. Give me the hat.
Wait. Are you getting all this bit?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, boy. Oh,
Monkey
you're set for
Johnny.
winter time.
What else is in there? What else?
Yeah, keep you nice and warm for the winter time.
Look. Do you want to get his cupcake started, babe?
What you got?
In a minute, yeah.
Something else.
Okay, this is the last one,
Who
baby.
wants his hat?
Blake. Blake.
We'll have to hide that from you until the Saturday because you'll destroy it.
Then after Saturday, if you wanted to destroy it, you can, dude.
Blake. Blake.
Get it. Get it.
There we go.
What is it?
What is
What
this?
is it?
Oswald knows.
I did that.
Blake. Blake.
Oh,
Stand up in the
okay.
tub.
Yay!
All right.
Yay!
Look. It's Elmo.
Yeah, I want the paper.
Yay!
Yay! Happy birthday,
Alright, let's
boy.
get you a
Get the
cupcake,
cupcake.
kid. Pick him up and I'll get it. Jeez.